Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by updating and checking permissions so the camera can be accessed. First, update iOS and Snapchat to the latest releases. This fixes many compatibility bugs. Next, go to Settings, right arrow Snapchat and enable camera and microphone. If denied, the app can't use the lens. Once permissions look correct, force close Snapchat by swiping it away and restart your iPhone. This clears transient issues and gives you a clean state to continue the repair process. Next, remove potential app corruption by offloading or deleting Snapchat and reinstalling from the App Store. Offload preserves data while delete removes it. After reinstalling, reset location and privacy so permission prompts can reappear and be accepted. Go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Transfer, or Reset iPhone and choose Reset Location and Privacy. Then launch Snapchat, grant permissions when prompted, and test the camera by toggling front and back and tapping the shutter. This isolates. Finish by determining whether the problem is hardware or app-related. Open Camera and FaceTime to verify basic camera function. If those apps fail, back up and update or reinstall iOS because system drivers may be at fault. If only Snapchat fails after all steps, capture screenshots, note timestamps, and use Snapchat's in-app support to send logs. This helps developers diagnose the issue. If nothing works, you may need Apple service for hardware. Bring evidence of your troubleshooting when you go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.